I'm Lindsay Daniels, a senior early careers recruiter here at United Health Group, supporting our Technology Development Program, or TDP for short. We're thrilled to have you here. We've had a lot of candidates ask some really great questions, and the most commonly asked question is, what does my office look like? So today I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of our Hartford, Connecticut office and show you some of the great amenities that we have to offer here. As you make your way around the office, you'll notice a very open and collaborative work environment. Rooms and huddles are available for you to reserve to work with your colleagues in, and also traditional desks if you work better there. There's also great natural sunlight and a very casual environment here in this office. A unique amenity here in Hartford is our game corner. Here you'll see all sorts of games and different things that you can do if you find yourself having a little bit of free time throughout the day. There's also a smart spot for you to stop with any tech issues that you may have while working. While there isn't a cafeteria on site in the Hartford office, we do offer other incentives that may perk your interest, such as this snack corner, where all snacks and drinks I'm showing you today are listed at 50 cents, unless noted otherwise, like our fresh sandwiches and salads. You'll also be able to utilize our microwaves and refrigerators for any items that you may have brought from home. We do also offer a wide open area here where you can connect with your colleagues, grab your favorite coffees, teas, or utilize one of our bevy machines where you can enjoy sparkling water of many different varieties. You can also enjoy all different flavors of coffee and tea from one of our espresso machines, grab yourself some cold water, or enjoy our on-tap cold brew. Another great option for lunch and a favorite among TDPers is the sandwich shop located on the second level. After lunch, you can head over to Bushnell Park to stretch your legs, enjoy beautiful views of the city, and enjoy the fountains. Thank you for joining me on this virtual office tour. I hope you enjoyed learning more about our Hartford, Connecticut office, and we are so excited about the possibility of you joining our team. United Health Group, caring, connected, and growing together.